Good morning, Trojans. Hope everybody had a great weekend and made it in safe this morning, despite the weather that we're having outside. Um, just to review last week. Last week we had a positivity challenge. We had a number of outstanding activities that were simple and easy to do and participate in. Um, Hopefully everybody got to participate in at least something. If you participated in one thing the entire week, then it was a success. Hopefully that's something that builds forward. Something that those 5 things that you were asked to do are things that you can do anytime, any day. So continue to try to do some things that are going to build positive relationships and then build a positive state of mind within you. Congratulations to last week's Students of the Week. Our winners last week were Brenna Johansson and Austin Lovett. Congratulations to those students, and we're looking forward to finding 3 new students this week. Our Monday mission this week is to have a no complaints week. Complaints are downers. If you know John Gordon at all, he's a nationally renowned, world renowned speaker on positivity and how to have great culture in your environment, whether you're at school or your business or whatever. John Gordon says that people that complain are like energy vampires and that they suck the energy out of those around them with their words and their actions. So your challenge is to be the kind of person that brings out the best in others by being a positive beacon of light and guides others in the right direction. Some things that you can do this week in order to have no complaints is identify triggers. So take note of the behaviors that bother you and avoid them. So if there's one particular behavior that you notice on a daily basis that just irritates you from one of your peers, just try to avoid that circumstance. Try not to put yourself in that position to be bothered or be annoyed by the type of behavior that bothers you. Something else to do, and this is something that needs to happen all the time, is slow down and think before you speak or act. A lot of times you don't mean what you say or mean what you do, especially when there's a negative outcome. It's because you didn't think about what the result was going to be before you did it. So just slow down and take some time to think. Another thing that could be more positive and limit the complaints is to say more pleases and thank yous. Just be more grateful for the things that are done for you. Be more appreciative and spread that positivity by saying please for the things that you need and thank you for the things that you receive. And then the last thing is point out the good in others. So if you see somebody doing something great, point it out. Give them a high five. Tell them that they're doing a great job. That's just going to build up and make things more positive. Being in a place that's more positive is a more enjoyable place to be. So rather than thinking about the downer, think about the things that are going to build others up and see how that grows. Our Trojan Way focus this week is to have no negativity. This week we're going to have our Trojan Way Tuesday on Friday, and we'll get together with our buddy groups. We have a big idea for our activity this week, but we need to kind of finalize our plans for that before we kind of announce kind of what our Trojan Way buddies are going to be doing on Friday. But hopefully things can come together and we'll have a really good positive activity and something that's going to stand the test of time and we can refer back to all the time. So with that, I hope everybody has a great week and we focus on no complaints and being more positive. So have a great week and go Trojans.